With a new garage, a fenced backyard, a new deck, and an updated kitchen, all in a family-friendly neighborhood, what more do you need?
Welcome to 122 Burpee Street.
The bright living room has a large window and a heat pump to keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter.
Next is the beautifully renovated kitchen with plenty of functional storage, open to the dining area with beautiful matching built-ins.
From the patio doors, you come out onto your new deck, overlooking your large backyard.
Down the hall, you'll find the home's renovated bathroom and 3 bedrooms.
Downstairs you'll find a family room, another full bathroom, a bedroom, and potential for another bedroom.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 122 Burpee Street,
visit frederictonhomes.com.